Now let us continue. So over here, this is what we are going to do. If you already have materials, I hope you have already extracted the material from the zip file. So this is what we are going to do. You want to create a home page, this page. So make sure you click on the home or you click on the logo, because you have already done that settings. Now click edit page. Good. Now after that, you will see edits with Elementor. Click on that. Okay, so we are on the Elementor interface right now. I can see that it is raining, so I think this video is going to be short. I have to cut it because yeah, it's raining now. So right now I will cancel that and cancel this, and this is the interface. This is what we are going to do. First, let's go here, the settings here, click that. Okay, so before you come to that, if you come to this one, I'm going to show you something that we need to do. First, let's come back here. Let's go to dashboard. Okay, so let's locate Elementor. You see, so just locate Elementor. Okay, good. Go to settings. Okay, so here let's go to features. Okay, and here look through it. We are going to make some changes here that is very important. So here we will, let's see. Okay, let's go down here, container, make sure you select active. Let's go down again, and then we also have, okay, so additional custom breakpoints. This one, make it active, and that is all. Save it. The most important setting that we have done here is additional breakdown points. Okay, it's very important. Why is it important? I'm going to show you. Okay, we want to make sure that our website is very responsive on all the devices. Now, do you know that we have so many devices with different screen size? Okay, so we have to make sure that we have to make sure that we have to customize our website so that it will be responsive on any of the devices. So when someone visit the website with a tablet, it will look good. When another person visit the site with a mobile phone, it will still look good. That's what we are trying to achieve here. So now we have done that. Let's come back here. I will refresh this page again. Okay, I think it's going to take time, but we need to do that. Okay, so here, let's come back here. Okay, let's go to, let's see. Okay, if you are not here, just click on this one, it will bring you here. Okay, so click on that again, and it will bring you here. Let's locate layouts. Okay, now go down, you will see breakpoints. Click that, and here you see we have mobile and what tablet, and that is the mobile and tablet. This is the desktop. Okay, so click here, and you see that tablet has been selected and mobile has been selected, but mobile landscape is not here. Okay, so I will click that, and it has been added. Click that again, we have tablet lands. Click that, so just add all of them. Click laptop, then let's go down again, wide screen. Okay, so I've added all of them. After that, click how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6. Click save. Now after that, it will ask, yes, it will request for reload. Just click reload. Now after that, you can see that we have all the different devices, so we can just make sure that our website is very responsive with the help of this one. Okay, now let's come back here. Let's go to where do you think we should go? Okay, so Now our next move is, let's go to layout again. So layouts, and then here let's change it to 1120. If you do remember, on the template that is customized, we change it from 1200, that is 1200 to 1120. Okay, good. Okay, so that's why we have done it. We have to make sure that the numbers are the same. So let me save that. Good. So I will close this. Okay, right now we are going to do settings that will help us to do to make the work very easier. Okay, now we will go there again. So click here again. This time we are going to add the colors. So this is what you're going to do. First, use your color picker. Let me pick. Okay, so I will come here and pick red from here, and I will copy that. Come back here. So you know how to use the colors. So go to global colors. So under global colors here, we are going to create our magic. I will place this green color with the red. So I will just Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so now let's come back here again, and I will go for the yellow color. Let me see. Okay, so I will go for the yellow color. So I will select my color picker. Just come back here. So you can just open this side so that you can copy the colors from this side. Okay, the one that's off. If you want to use your own color, the ball is in your court. Okay, so come back here. I'm going to replace with okay, so replace this one, the yellow, with that. Okay, and I think I love this yellow color. And not only that, I want to add another yellow color. So just click add, and you'll be able to. So I will click here, then add another yellow, but this time let me drag it up so that I will get something like light yellow. Okay, good. In addition to that, so let me go through the default and see the colors that was used on this platform. Okay, it's only yellow and red, and we have done that. Okay, good. And that is all. Okay, I think we have another color here. You see, this color here is white, and this is like a different color. So you can use the color picker and pick this color, copy that, cancel that, come here, and I can just click here again and add that color. Okay, good. So we are done. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so here, this color, the text color, I want to use hash 50 50 50. So write 53 times. Okay, that's that, and this one is okay. So I will then come back here and publish that. So we have changed the colors. Okay, now what else do we need to change? We have to change the font. The fonts. Okay, let's go to global fonts. So over here premier font, fonts, we can just make it is Ubuntu. We don't want that. We want Poppins. So just enter POPP, then you see Poppins. Okay, then you select that, click here, select the secondary, then I will enter the same Poppins here to Poppins, then last one Poppins. Okay, so I'll save that. Now we are not done. Let's go back here, and we have typography. You have to change all of them to Poppins. You need to do that. Okay, and then you can just change all of them, but I think I won't be able to do that. So you can just click here, and I think it's even already in Poppins. So okay, so just click that. It's okay. So I will not change that. Now let's go down here. We don't have time. And there is one thing that we need to do. Okay, so first I will click here. Let me show you what I want to do right now. When I click here and click here, select any of the container, you see there's nothing here. Okay, even if I click here, okay, good. So what I'm going to do something. Let's go back here. No, let's go back here. Good. And over here we have let me show you what I'm talking about. additional set. Okay, in fact, oh come on. Okay. Okay, so I don't know, I can't. Okay, so let's click here, this icon, and we have that is this one. Okay, this one. Why is it off? Okay, so I don't know why I wanted to put this one on, but it's not working. So far so good, it's okay. So thank you for watching. Our next video we will start with the designing. Okay, thank you for watching.